Hello Yair, how are you? We are starting today to learn about if and else if. Okay, if the user prints out the input for space plus space 2, and I want to know which operation he wanted and to do the operation between the two numbers that he input. What is the way to do it? This is very important to understand. The formula is the input the user is going to write for us with spaces. Okay, let's continue. Wait a minute, I'm continuing the video because we are doing something else. Okay, we called the list formula.split, which means it's going to bring us a list of all the components the user written. The component number 0 is going to be the first component of what we are going to calculate. The operator is the second organ of the list. 0, 1, 2. Split. It's very important to remember that the input from the user brings a string, so he needs to invert it to float. You can invert it to integer, but let's give the user the possibility to choose for himself. Now in Z, this is the result if the operator was plus. In a minute we learn how to check what was the operator. This is a place for the X, a place for the operator, a place for the Y, and a place for the Z. Okay, let's run the video. Okay, this is what it will print eventually to show the user what he asked and the result. Okay, 8. The problem now is if he will do a multiply, we didn't take care of this. You can check condition if else. That's what he's going to show us right now, what is if and what is else. Condition or clause. First of all, let's learn about if else. Now he wants to input from the user and the age of the user. And if the age is bigger than 18, then he will print over 18. After the condition was checked, he will move on to this command, and we will continue the program. If I want to do something that is not in this condition or else. So in the else condition I print what if the condition is not true, is false. And then we'll print not over 18 because it's not true. But let's say if we would want to check if he's a baby or a teenager or old man, etc., etc. So we need to do else if. Now he runs it. 22 and 5. He tested it and he sees that it's okay. Pay attention, the equal in if is 2 equals, because the 1 equal is to put inside a memory cell a number, and we don't want to put, we just want to check. So the checking is 2 equals. So there is shift 1 equal is different. There is and or. These are all the signals. These are all the signals of the if that we can use. Print baby. Okay, elif. Instead of doing else int if, there is elif. If the answer of this condition is false, he will check this condition. He checks if you are less than 12, then you're a child, and if you're less than 18, this condition is between 12 and 18. This condition is between 3 and 12, then is a child. If it's between 12 and 18, is teenager. And then if is bigger than 18, so it tells us you are grown up. Try this at home. Tell me if it's working. Tell me if the video is okay. And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.